Hi everyone, in today's video you are going to learn how to add an email address to the Save Sender list in Microsoft Outlook 365 in 2026. Now this particular method makes sure that the important emails never go to the junk or the spam again. So let's walk through it step by step. First of all, you need to open Outlook 365. Once you have done that, simply go to your inbox. Now in the inbox, if the email that you trust is already in the junk email folder, you can just simply open that folder first. So in the junk folder, you will have to find the email that you want to trust. Once you right click on the email message, simply select the option of not junk. A confirmation box will appear in front of you. You just have to turn on always trust the email from this sender and hit OK. So this instantly adds the sender to your Save Senders list. You can also add a sender manually in this list. For that, click on the option of this settings icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. By default, you will be on this mail tab, and this is exactly the tab that we want. But if you are on any other tabs, simply click on the mail tab. Now go to the option of the junk email. Over here, select the option of the Save Sender and Domain section. Here, click on the option of Add Save Sender. Now you need to type the email address and the domain of that particular person whom you want to add here. Then click on the option of OK. So Outlook will now allow all of the emails from this particular sender automatically. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.